Now, while the COVID count in the city of Hyderabad is on the rise, the cry for quality infrastructure grows louder. Recent visuals of Hyderabad's Osmania General Hospital treating coronavirus patients has left us shocked. Rainwaters flooded some of the wards, leaving patients and the hospital staff to fight their way through treatment with knee-deep water. Not once but thrice, authorities on Wednesday had also, opposed. Here, the authorities have asked for some fix in the entire structure of the building. In fact, the old heritage building was asked to be vacated and to be sealed. That's what the government was planning to do. And amid criticism, Telangana government has now said that they may just want to raise the century-old Osmania General Hospital down. In fact, the matter has been on for quite a few years, but there has been stiff opposition to this move. Historians have cried foul, saying that Osmania is a heritage building and must be preserved. However, the matter is currently at the Telangana High Court. In fact, on Thursday, the state government is also to file a detailed counter affidavit on the structural structure of existing buildings of Osmania Hospital, and whether the hospital buildings are heritage structures or not will be observed in court. In fact, I did speak to Dr. R. Pandu Nayak, Medical Superintendent at the Osmania General Hospital, and TRS leader Talasani Sai Kiran on the row over raising the old heritage building of Osmania General Hospital. I have with me joining us the Superintendent of Osmania General Hospital in Hyderabad, Dr. R. Pandu Nayak, to tell us a little more, along with TRS leader from Telangana, who is Talasani Sai Kiran, to give us a brief on what the government is mulling over. I'll start with you, Mr. Pandu. Dr. Pandu, why do you want the hospital to be demolished? Do you want Osmania to be demolished and restructured?
Madam, this is a 100 years old building. There are incidences since a few years back. There are incidences of falling roof flex on the patients as well as on the HOD's rooms, and patient got injured. And luckily, when the roof flex are falling, at that time, HODs are not there because it has fallen in the night time. That is why that casualty has.
Right, I understand. How many times has this happened, Dr. Pandu?
There are so many times it has happened, madam. It has happened in the superintendent room also, ante-room it has happened, and in the wards it has happened. And these are the 100 years old drainage system. Wherever we will do repair, again the repair will come, because inside the building through and through we cannot go, because all the pillars, everything, it has built with big stones and lime. So inside, in the ground of the building we cannot go. So we cannot clear entire drainage system also.
Right. So what is your appeal?
Drainage problems are done.
As a medical professional, do you think that COVID-19 duties is you're finding it very hard to live up to in that hospital?
Madam, in this hospital, not only COVID duty, even otherwise also, it is very difficult to maintain patients and keep the premises safe for the faculty, for the doctors, for the nurses, and for the young doctors, the postgraduates and house surgeons who are coming in the hospital with a big hope. Osmania is the biggest hospital, 2,000 bedded capacity hospital. So it is built for the purpose to cater the services for the super specialty services. We are giving all super specialty services, but the building is very old and giving a lot of problems.
Right.
So, but that is the reason we want this building should be new building should be built immediately to meet the demands of the patient care.
Right. You want a new infrastructure. I have Talasani Sai joining us, TRS leader from Telangana. Mr. Sai, why should Osmania General Hospital be broken down if it is a heritage property? Why can't you shift the hospital itself? Why can't you build another hospital, another infrastructure, and move these people there and preserve the heritage property? Can't that be an option?
Definitely, the government has planned to build new facilities for the public here. Regarding the COVID also, we have 3 main hospitals other than Osmania Hospital, which is Gandhi Hospital. We have King Koti Hospital. And again, we have built up a new facility called TIMS at Gachibowli, which is 1,500 bedded.
Right.
But the heritage building is causing damage to a lot of patients, including the doctors, including the HODs. This was a deliberate condition down in 2015 itself, where the Chief Minister of Telangana, KCR, has visited the hospital along with the officials, and they have all requested the same during 2015 only.
So this has been on for 5 years. You all are mulling over demolishing it. But the point here is that there has been stiff opposition and historians crying foul that this is a heritage building. Why can't you leave it alone and move the whole facility, construct another facility where you construct a 1,000-bedded or 2,000-bedded hospital separately?
Geographically, this will cater around 1 lakh plus patients every year.
Okay.
So it is geographically in between of the city. It is in the center of the city, and it is a 27-acre big land. So you can have a great facility coming down here. So heritage building, definitely I would respect the history of Telangana, history of India, but keeping in mind the next generations to come, there should be a great facility within the city for the city voters and citizens of Hyderabad, especially. So I think, as according to the demand raised by the doctors themselves there, which they protested, a dharna 2 days back saying that all the PG hostel is closed. We would request the government to demolish it as soon as possible. But the opposition, which doesn't understand the welfare of the society, they went to the court and we got a stay, and we are still trying to convince the court that you should keep in mind the public's opinion, not the opposition opinion. So kindly please allow us to develop.
So the matter is currently in court.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is from last 2015. It is in court. The opposition staged a dharna in 2015 when CM announced that I am breaking the
We
building.
understand. Now, what is the development? Are you going to go ahead with it? When is the court order coming on that?
Yes, definitely. For the betterment of people of Hyderabad, we will want to go ahead with demolition of Usmania Hospital and build a new